For reading this week, you are going to be doing a couple of things. So we are still reading Mrs. Frisbee and the Rats of NIMH. On Tuesday, right, on Tuesday, you are reading chapters 14 and 15, which are they are titled The Marketplace and In the Cage. They have 16 pages within those two chapters. So then for your reading activity of the day, you're going to go to your reading packet and you're going to read Lost in Time and answer questions 1 to 3 on page 19 and 20. So here is your reading packet. It will say 6th grade reading on the cover. You are going to read this and you are going to answer these 3 questions on the next page. For the rest of the week, you're going to read the chapters in the book, and you're also going to complete activities related to the book. So on Wednesday, you are reading chapters 16 and 17, which are called The Maze and A Lesson in Reading. There are a total of 17 pages in these 2 chapters. And you are going to completing the 2 activities, Lab Rats and Maze Runners. So, Lab Rats, if you go to the bottom of your agenda, we know that the rats were tested upon, but why? How do scientists use mazes and other tests? What have we learned from such testing that benefits us today? So this is going to be more of a research one. So research, you gotta look up why rats are tested on and how scientists use mazes and what we have learned from using mazes with rats. And your next activity for the day is Maze Runner, and you're going to build your own maze. Whether you use boxes or sheets, you build like a fort maze, build some type of maze, inside, outside, wherever you would like, and see if you can test it on someone in your family, if they can make it through. Or you could build your own maze on paper if you would wish. The next one, for Thursday, you're reading chapters 18, 19, and 20. That is the air ducts, the Boniface estate, and the main hall. That has a total of 29 pages. And you're doing the activity carrying out the plan, which below it says, explore the rat's decision not to leave the farm in an attempt to be self-sufficient. So here's a quote from the book, if we were to leave our community, it's not a quote from the book. This is describing what we would do. So if we were to leave our community, what would we need to be self-sufficient? What would we bring to get us through the month or a year in the wilderness? So self-sufficient means that we don't rely on the help of other people. We can take care of ourselves. So what would you need to be self-sufficient? And what would you bring to get you through the month or a year in the wilderness? Okay? And then, as always, on Friday at 11:38 a.m., all of 4th, 5th, and 6th grade are going to do a Zoom. And that is it. If you click on this, it'll take you to the link. Same thing with Lexia. Even though that's in writing language arts, it'll take you to the link. And one more thing, the Zoom Hope, that will also take you to the link of the packet, which is at 12 p.m. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. Alright, that is it for reading.